Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 12th, 2024, and we've got a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From the latest in electric vehicle developments to the strategic moves of automotive giants, we've got it all covered. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive into the exciting developments in Malaysia's automotive industry. Proton and Perodua, the country's homegrown car brands, are making bold moves to compete with global electric vehicle leaders like Tesla and BYD. Proton is set to launch its first electric vehicle, the e-MAS, by the end of 2024. This ambitious project is backed by technology from its Chinese partner, Geely, and will be manufactured at a newly converted EV hub in Perak. Proton's CEO is optimistic about the EV's appeal to Malaysian consumers. Meanwhile, Perodua, Malaysia's largest carmaker, is also in the race, developing its first EV prototype with plans to roll it out in 2025. The focus here is on local collaboration, which is a strategic move to strengthen its position in the market. Both Proton and Perodua are aiming to price their electric vehicles below $25,000. This is a significant move considering that the starting prices for Tesla and BYD vehicles are over $30,000. This pricing strategy is crucial, especially as the Malaysian government plans to phase out tax exemptions on imported EVs by 2025, encouraging local assembly and production. The Malaysian automotive market, which saw about 720,000 passenger vehicles sold last year, has set an ambitious target for electric vehicles to make up 15% of total sales by 2030, a significant increase from the current 3%. However, challenges remain, particularly in expanding the EV charging infrastructure. Currently, there are over 2,000 charging stations, with a target to reach 10,000 by 2025. The government is actively incentivizing EV adoption through tax rebates for charging equipment and has approved numerous projects to bolster the EV industry. With strong local support and an established market presence, Proton and Perodua are well positioned to drive Malaysia's transition to electric mobility. It's an exciting time for the Malaysian automotive industry as it gears up for this electric revolution. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Join us next time for more updates on the ever-evolving world of technology and electric vehicles. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.